In fourth news, electronics contract manufacturer Dixon Technologies formed JV with Taiwan's Inventec to make IT hardware. The Noida-based Dixon Technologies formed the joint venture, which was named as Dixon IT Devices Private Limited, to boost their IT hardware manufacturing business, where Dixon Technologies will be owned 60% and the remaining 40% will be owned by Inventec. Taiwan-based Inventec is an original design manufacturer for IT hardware, where the newly formed joint venture entity will manufacture notebook, personal computer products, services, desktops, and PC components in India. Dixon Technologies plans to open a dedicated manufacturing facility as part of their joint venture, which will be separate from their 1,000 crore facility, which will be coming up in Chennai. This new joint venture entity will also look at participating in the India government's 22,000 crore new PLI scheme for electronic component manufacturing.
Electronics components are having a very large spectrum of, in a sense, the structure is very different. For example, there will be some components which will have a lot of capex required. There will be some components where the turnover will be very high compared to the capex which is put in. So that's why we decided to have a focused way in which components which require capex support will be giving capex support, and components, and in fact for all the components we are also keeping an employment linked incentive. Once a certain employment threshold is crossed, then only the incentives will start kicking in. So that's very important. Today, as you know, electronics manufacturing has grown 5 times in the last 10 years. It is now close to 10 lakh crore industry.
Where each of Dixon Technologies subsidiaries being formed to make components will separately apply for their participation in the scheme.